Haunted objects of Jamaica, top 10 earliest artifacts and legends. 7. River Muma Golden Comb. Another enchanted treasure of Jamaican folklore is the golden comb of the River Muma. The River Muma is a mermaid-like spirit akin to a siren said to inhabit Jamaican rivers and waterfalls. The figure of River Muma likely has West African roots similar to the water goddess Mami Wata, blended with local lore. She is described as a beautiful, long-haired woman who is half fish. River Muma's story is always tied to her treasured comb. People say she sits on a rock by the river, combing her long hair with a golden comb.
Follow Jamaican True Story.
Then disappears beneath the water, leaving the comb behind on the rock. This is a test. If a passerby attempts to steal the comb out of greed, the River Muma will reappear in their dreams. Many warn that if you try to take the golden comb, the mermaid spirit will drag you underwater to your doom. However, if you resist temptation and leave the comb untouched, the River Muma may reward you with good fortune or even lead you to other hidden treasures. Thus, the comb is both a lure and a cursed object. Though the comb itself is legendary, there are accounts of fishermen and villagers claiming to see it. They report a dazzling glint on a stone mid-river, or a beautiful woman singing by the riverside then vanishing. A well-known river for these sightings is again the Rio Cobre near Flatbridge, tying this myth to the Golden Table legend. Those deemed worthy might be guided to the sunken Spanish treasure, while the unworthy meet a watery demise. Some elders recount stories of relatives who went after the comb and mysteriously drowned, their bodies never found. The golden comb isn't in any museum. It appears only in the wild, at rivers considered River Muma domain. The Rio Cobre in St. Catherine and certain deep pools in rural parishes are said to be her favorite haunts. If you ever spot a shiny comb on a river rock in Jamaica, folklore strongly advises leaving it alone. Your life may depend on it.